Think all electric bikes on AliExpress are just cheap knockoffs? That couldn't be further from the truth. Some of these e-bikes come packed with powerful motors, impressive range, and premium features that rival bikes costing hundreds or even thousands more. That's why we're counting down the 5 best electric bikes you can buy on AliExpress right now. Before you spend your money, it's worth seeing which models actually deliver the best value. And if you want to compare prices or learn more about any of the bikes after watching, you'll find all the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. URLIFE E20 Electric Bike. The URLIFE E20 is the kind of e-bike that immediately feels like it was built for people who want a little more power and freedom in their daily rides. It's not just a simple commuter bike. This one is designed to handle city streets, weekend adventures, and even rougher paths where a normal bike might struggle. The heart of the E20 is its powerful 1,000-watt peak motor, which gives you quick acceleration and enough strength to handle steep hills with much less effort. Whether you're riding to work, cruising around town, or exploring new trails, the extra power makes every ride feel smoother and more enjoyable. One thing riders really appreciate is the removable 48-volt 13Ah battery. You can charge it at home, at work, or wherever it's convenient. And with a long riding range, you don't have to constantly worry about finding a charger. That makes it a great option for longer commutes or those spontaneous weekend trips where you just want to keep going. The 20-inch fat tires are another highlight. They provide better grip and stability on different surfaces, from pavement to gravel, sand, or uneven roads. Combined with the front suspension, the bike helps absorb bumps and keeps the ride comfortable, even when the road isn't perfect. The E20 also keeps things practical with a color LCD display, front and rear lights, a 7-speed gear system, and strong dual disc brakes for better control. The large rear rack is especially useful if you carry groceries, bags, or outdoor gear. Looking at customer feedback, many riders mention the bike feels surprisingly powerful, comfortable, and well built for the price. Some users had small setup adjustments like brake alignment, but overall they found the assembly straightforward and the riding experience fun. With its fat tires, strong motor, removable battery, and everyday friendly design, the URLIFE E20 delivers a balance of performance and comfort that makes it a solid choice for riders who want one e-bike that can handle almost anything. Number 4. Ridstar H20 Folding Electric Bike. When you're looking for an electric bike that can handle daily rides but still gives you that exciting feeling when you hit the throttle, the Ridstar H20 is a model that really grabs attention. It combines a powerful setup, comfortable design, and a foldable frame, making it a great option for riders who want performance without sacrificing practicality. The biggest thing that stands out is the 1,500-watt peak motor. This bike has plenty of power for quick acceleration, busy city roads, and those uphill sections where regular bikes start to struggle. With speeds reaching around 30 miles per hour, it gives you that extra confidence to keep up with traffic and enjoy longer rides without feeling limited. Power is only useful if you can actually use it when you need it, and that's where the removable 48-volt 15A battery comes in. You can charge it separately, which makes life much easier if your storage area isn't close to a power outlet. Depending on your riding style, the bike can handle longer trips, daily commuting, or casual weekend adventures. And with 3 riding modes, you're not locked into just one experience. Use pure electric mode when you want effortless riding, pedal assist when you want some help, or ride it like a normal bicycle whenever you feel like it. The comfort level is another area where the H20 feels impressive. The wide 20 by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent stability and grip, while the full suspension system with adjustable front and rear shocks helps smooth out rough roads. Whether you're riding over cracked pavement, gravel paths, or uneven streets, the bike feels much more controlled. It also comes with a 7-speed gear system, so you can adjust your riding style depending on the terrain. The dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the bright front light, rear lights, and turn signals make nighttime riding feel safer. The LCD display keeps important information like speed, battery level, mileage, and gear settings easy to see while you ride. The foldable aluminum frame is a huge bonus too. You can save space at home, take it on trips, or store it more easily than a full-size bike. Riders have also praised how simple the setup is, with many saying the bike arrives mostly ready to go and feels solid right away. Overall, the Ridstar H20 brings together speed, comfort, and convenience in a package that's built for real everyday riders who want a little more excitement from their commute. Number 3. EOEOTWO EO1 Fat Tire Electric Bike. Some e-bikes are made mainly for commuting, but the EOEOTWO EO1 feels like it's built for riders who want more freedom from their bike. It's the type of electric bike that can take you through your daily routine during the week and still be ready for a completely different adventure on the weekend. The EO1 brings serious performance with its powerful 1500 watt peak motor. That extra power gives the bike strong acceleration and helps it handle hills and longer rides without feeling underpowered. Reaching speeds around 34 miles per hour, it offers a thrilling ride while still keeping the experience comfortable and manageable for everyday use. A big part of the experience comes from the large 48-volt 15Ah lithium battery. Instead of worrying about charging after every short trip, riders can enjoy longer distances and more flexibility. Whether you're heading across town, taking a longer cruise, or exploring outside the city, the battery gives you the confidence to keep riding. The faster charging time also means less waiting and more time enjoying the road. The real personality of this bike comes from its all-terrain setup. Those 26-inch fat tires are designed to handle much more than smooth pavement. They provide extra traction on sand, dirt, gravel, and even snowy paths. Combined with the front suspension system, the bike feels more stable when the road gets rough, helping reduce the impact from bumps and uneven surfaces. Another thing that makes the EO1 practical is the strong aluminum frame. It's built to support a variety of riders while maintaining a solid feel. The rear cargo rack adds even more usefulness, giving you room for carrying groceries, equipment, or personal items. The comfortable seat and riding position also make it easier to spend more time on the bike without feeling worn out. For everyday control, the Shimano 7-speed gearing lets you adjust your effort depending on the situation. The dual mechanical disc brakes help with confident stopping, and the LED display keeps important information like speed, battery level, and riding data easy to check. The bright headlight also helps improve visibility when riding later in the day. Looking at rider experiences, many owners say the bike feels powerful, fun, and surprisingly easy to put together. Some riders mention small improvements they would make, but overall the feedback focuses on the smooth ride, strong motor, and enjoyable performance. The EOEOTWO EO1 is a great example of a fat tire e-bike that combines speed, comfort, and adventure into one capable machine. Number 2. Cybervelo EK12 electric bicycle. When an electric bike can handle your daily commute and still feel ready for a weekend adventure, that's where the Cybervelo EK12 really starts to make sense. This step-through fat tire e-bike is designed for riders who want comfort, power, and versatility without making the ride feel complicated. The EK12 comes equipped with a powerful 1000-watt brushless motor that can peak higher when extra power is needed. With strong torque and speeds reaching around 30 miles per hour, it gives you plenty of confidence whether you're cruising through city streets, dealing with hills, or exploring less predictable roads. It has that satisfying feeling of instant electric assistance whenever you twist the throttle or switch into pedal assist. One of the biggest highlights is the large 48-volt 20Ah removable battery. This gives the bike a lot more freedom for longer rides, and depending on how you use it, you can go much farther without constantly thinking about charging. The battery is also designed with water resistance protection, so everyday weather conditions are less of a concern. Being removable makes charging easier too, especially if you store the bike somewhere away from a power outlet. The step-through frame is another feature that makes a real difference. Getting on and off the bike feels much easier, especially during frequent stops around town. The adjustable handlebar and wider seat help create a more comfortable riding position, making longer trips more enjoyable. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires give the EK12 a stable feel on different surfaces. Whether you're riding pavement, gravel, sandy paths, or uneven roads, those larger tires help improve balance and traction. The full suspension system also adds comfort by absorbing bumps and keeping the ride smoother. For everyday practicality, this bike comes with useful extras like a front basket, rear saddle, backrest, and kickstand. It's the kind of setup that works well for carrying groceries, bags, or small items during your daily routine. The smart LCD display keeps track of your speed, mileage, and battery level, while the front and rear lights improve visibility when riding at night. Riders mention that the bike feels strong, comfortable, and capable, with many appreciating the overall build and riding experience. Some small adjustments may be needed depending on personal preference, but the design gives you a lot of flexibility. The Cybervelo EK12 brings together power, range, comfort, and everyday usefulness, making it a great choice for anyone looking for an electric bike that can do a little bit of everything. Number 1. Readygo EKXBike X20 Adult Mountain E-Bike. After looking at several powerful electric bikes, the Readygo EKXBike X20 stands out as the kind of machine that feels like it's built for riders who want more than just a simple commute. It brings together the excitement of an electric motorcycle, the control of a mountain bike, and the everyday practicality of an e-bike. The biggest attraction here is the massive 48-volt 35Ah lithium battery. This is one of the largest battery setups in this lineup, giving riders the freedom to travel much farther without constantly thinking about charging. Whether you're heading across town, exploring open roads, or taking on longer weekend rides, the X20 is designed to keep going. And with multiple riding modes, you can choose the experience you want: full electric power, pedal assist, or a more traditional bike ride. Power is another area where this bike makes a strong impression. The high-speed brushless motor delivers quick acceleration and plenty of torque for steep roads and challenging terrain. With speeds reaching around 55 kilometers per hour and the ability to climb impressive slopes, it feels much closer to a compact electric motorcycle than a standard bicycle. The 20-inch all-terrain tires help give the X20 its adventurous personality. They provide stability and grip on different surfaces, from city pavement to rough trails. The hydraulic suspension system also plays a big role in comfort by absorbing bumps and keeping the ride smoother, especially when the road gets unpredictable. Safety and control are clearly a priority too. The front and rear hydraulic disc brakes provide strong stopping performance, while the LED headlight, smart rear taillight, and turn signals help make night riding more visible. The backlit LCD display keeps important information right in front of you, including speed, battery level, mileage, and riding mode. The aluminum alloy frame gives the bike a sturdy feel while keeping the design practical. It can support heavier riders, and features like the rear rack and mudguard options add extra usefulness for everyday riding. The Shimano 7-speed gear system also gives you more flexibility when switching between flat roads and climbs. What makes the Readygo EKXBike X20 interesting is how it combines performance and comfort in one package. It's not only about going fast, it's about having a bike that can handle commuting, exploring, and everything in between. For riders who want an electric bike with long range, strong power, and an adventurous design, the X20 delivers a riding experience that feels much bigger than a normal e-bike. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best electric bikes on AliExpress. Whether you're looking for an affordable folding commuter, a powerful off-road adventure bike, or an all-around performer that can handle almost anything, there's an option here for every type of rider. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, buying guides, and top product roundups. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.